Hey Albert, hey track fans, how you doing? Welcome to track 61. We got the F1 McLaren back on the track and it's a good track. Bar one corner, everyone is an R2. So let's see what we can do. Let's race. R1 Gambon, that's the only one. Long straight, up over the first crossover, second crossover, two crossovers in one track. This is amazing. Right into the race, under that tight bend there. You can't see under that bridge, we'll go around there, but that's actually bent. Oh no, Bacharach bend down there. Let's get the F1 McLaren round here. The car, it always handles really well because it's an F1 race car. It's low to the ground, big aerodynamics. The track fan driving the car is absolutely on point. I've not got a chip in here, so we're not going to do any lane changing. We're just going to do some straight F1 racing. So loving this track. R2 is easy to learn. So let's get round there, crossover into Chicago, round to Hammerhead. Hammerhead's good, over, up and over and under, round through Bacharach and into Bentley for the final stretch into pole. Okay, here we go. This is really liking this one, Albert. So meanwhile, the guy in there has indicated that he does want to come in for a pit stop. So let's call this our last lap, track fans. An exciting one it is too. We're looking forward to seeing you on the next episode, but if you want to check out other tracks, make sure you tune into our playlist on our YouTube site. Here you are, track fans. See you later, Albert.